How can a cryptocurrency exchange, operating in one of the most hostile digital environments, maintain a reputation for security? That's the core question when you look at Kraken. In a world where multi-million-dollar crypto hacks are a monthly headline, Kraken has managed to stand out, primarily because of a remarkable track record. They're often cited as one of the most secure exchanges, but what does their actual history of dealing with hacks and incidents look like? Let's dive into Kraken's security history. Kraken's core security philosophy. Kraken was born out of a crisis. Its co-founder, Jesse Powell, got involved helping the recovery efforts following the catastrophic Nuggs hack in 2014. That event, one of crypto's biggest failures, deeply shaped Kraken's philosophy, security first. Since its launch in 2011, Kraken has an incredible claim: no major loss of customer funds due to a hack. This isn't to say their systems haven't been tested. They employ a multi-layered defense system. Over 95% of customer funds are kept in air-gapped cold storage, meaning they are completely offline and inaccessible to hackers. They also pioneered proof of reserves audits, allowing users to cryptographically verify their holdings are backed by real assets. Notable incidents, bug bounties, and ethical dilemmas. Instead of major breaches, Kraken's security narrative is defined by their response to vulnerabilities found by the security community. They run a robust bug bounty program, which invites ethical hackers to find and report flaws for a reward. A high-profile incident in June 2024 perfectly illustrates the complexity. A self-proclaimed security researcher reported a critical bug that temporarily allowed accounts to be artificially inflated by an unconfirmed deposit. Kraken patched the flaw, but then discovered 3 linked accounts had exploited it to withdraw nearly $3 million from the exchange's treasury. Here's where it turned into a scandal. The researchers demanded a payment, which Kraken labeled as extortion, for the return of the funds, a violation of their bug bounty rules. Kraken viewed it as a criminal act, not responsible disclosure, highlighting a blurred ethical line in the world of hacking. Crucially, though, no customer funds were compromised. The loss came from Kraken's own operational treasury, which the exchange confirmed it fully protected. The verdict on security. Kraken's history is less about battling successful criminal masterminds and more about its proactive defense and transparency. While other top exchanges have suffered massive, 9-figure losses of client funds, Kraken's long-standing, unblemished record in protecting customer assets is a significant differentiator. Their willingness to be transparent about social engineering attacks they thwarted, and even the internal treasury loss from the bug bounty incident, reinforces their reputation as one of the most battle-tested and secure exchanges in the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.